Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 20 of this 2023 CW Collage, which is the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And what we're supposed to do is we can do any kind of design we want to do. Our only requirements is a crossword puzzle and a filling it in. And I've got just for the fun, just for the joy of it. So I'm excited to do this. I've enjoyed doing this collage, and this one is I'm dipping my toes into surrealism. It's not very much, so don't get too excited, but I love surreal and I want to give it a shot. So first of all, let me see, before I glue down, I better make sure I got everything where I want it. So I think what I'm going to do something like that. So I'm going to put that up there. I've got this hippo right here. And I've got this giraffe. And I kind of want it to come around from behind that boulder. So what I'm going to do, if I can find my X-Acto knife that I just had, there it is. I just got through doing my Marguerite Miller collage and I knew I had it. Okay, so I am just going to put a slit right there. I'm scared to cut too hard. There we go. And I'm going to tuck him in. This is so out of my comfort zone, but I love to see other people do surreal. The one time I've tried, the most surreal I've done is with like children's books, you know, but I don't know why I let this intimidate me so much. Okay, I think I can put that down now. But I do want to give it a shot. This one's pretty simple. So it's not a lot to it, but I figured it's a good way to get my toes wet, so to speak. I've been going through all kinds of magazines. I started with another idea and ended up switching over to this one. I just love that look on his face. All right. Okay. Get this down. Like this giraffe just loves that hippo. All right, and I'm just gonna trim that off. And I'm gonna add in my prompts, my crossword. Okay, just for the joy of it. And then I've got this kid coming through. Because why not? Surreal, you can have whatever you want, right? So that's what I'm doing. Now I know I need to work on a story and working things out better. But I figure for first time, this isn't too bad. Kind of keep it simple. And I'll just tuck that down there. Oops. Move that over just a tad. Well, all right. Short, simple, to the point. But I did a surreal collage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. I really feel like this needs something else, but what? I don't know. Let me see. Too big. I think I'm going to put him there. Y'all can tell I don't have a clue, but at least I'm having fun. All right then. Now I'm going to say it's finished. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please be sure and check out Barbie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. I will work on improving my technique, but it was fun, and I did enjoy it. It took me forever just to find these images. So we'll see how it goes from here on out. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.